In this module, we will show you how to get started using the platform. We will cover general navigation and tools, how to access your sites and datasets, measurements, surveys, and designs, media on the map, files, and reports. For more in-depth information on the available tools and how to use them, please visit our knowledge base, help.propellerarrow.com. After logging into the platform, the first thing that appears is the home screen. You'll see all the sites you have access to in your dashboard. Your sites can be sorted by last modified, alphanumerically, date created, and by the oldest or newest first. There are also some tools you can utilize to make your workflow more efficient. Recently Viewed shows you the most recent sites visited in your platform. You can star a site to make it a favorite and use the starred site option to quickly view them on your dashboard. The Arrow Points tab opens the Arrow Points dashboard with access to previously uploaded Arrow Point surveys. The Data Processing tab is where you can create and upload new datasets and check the status of any datasets currently processing. The Support tab provides access to our 24/7 chat support, along with links to the Propeller knowledge base, Propeller U, our on-demand training video library, and our current release notes and most recent updates. Clicking your name will open a drop-down menu for your account. My Profile is where you can update and edit information related to your account, such as name, job title, phone number, and email address. This is also where you can change your password. Sites and Access shows the list of sites that you have the ability to manage access to if you are the portal owner, administrator, or have manage access permission to any sites. You can edit permissions to specific sites, invite users by either sending them an email invite or link, and you can see a list of users invited to a site with their permission level. From notifications, you can update your preference for an email notification regarding information related to the processing of your dataset or Arrow Points. Platform Analytics provides insight into user activity, the number of measurements created, how many designs and surveys have been uploaded, and the most viewed site in your portal. This is only viewable by portal owners and users with administrator access. Web Map Tile Service, WMTS, and Propeller API. WMTS allows you to stream your ortho photos from Propeller into other GIS software. Propeller API allows you to pull data from your portal into other platforms via API tokens. These features are only available for scale tier customers. Talk to your portal owner or Propeller CSE to see if you have access. Licenses show your active licenses, main contact information, drone and Arrow Point registration, and the number of credits used. This is only viewable by portal owners and users with administrator access. Now that we've reviewed the general tools, let's take a closer look at navigating your site. To open a site in your portal, simply click on the dashboard image. You can also share access, create a new dataset, or change the settings by clicking the three dots in the site tile. By default, the most recent survey is shown. You can change this by using the survey drop-down menu to choose another survey. If you choose the wrong site from your homepage, you can also change it here in the site drop-down. The measure menu is where you can create measurements, view saved measurements, and create folders to organize your measurements. Under the Survey tab, users with process permission can use the Cleanup Terrain tool to remove any object that might interfere with your module. Any saved terrain cleanups will also be viewable here. You can change the map layers to view the drone's camera positions, point cloud, elevation map, gradient map, and contour lines. Turn on the survey layers to view ground control points or checkpoints used during data collection. You will also be able to use the Surface Runoff tool from the Survey tab. The Designs tab is where you can import several kinds of file types such as PDF, DXF, TTM, IFC, KML, and land XML files, to name a few. Media allows you to upload and store any digital media at specific locations on the survey map. In the Outputs tab, you can view and download information and files associated with your survey, including various reports, maps, and files for third-party software use. Take advantage of our fly-through and time-lapse features to visualize your site and see how it changed over time. The Share button is a shortcut that has the same functionality as the Sites and Access menu we covered earlier, including creating a link or email invite to grant someone access to your site. The Settings dropdown provides configurable options for viewing the platform, like the background base map, with the option of a roadmap, satellite imagery, or a combination of both, or no background. Camera transitions, which controls whether the camera smoothly glides to a new location or instantly transitions into a new view. Limit camera helps prevent losing sight of the dataset when moving or rotating the camera. Geolocation switches between northing, easting, and elevation or easting, northing, and elevation. Toggle on full screen mode to change the browser to a full screen mode with a larger viewing area. The Home button resets the view of the site to its default. This can be very useful after rotating or zooming in on the site. Navigation tools are ideal for users that do not have access to a mouse. This lets the user rotate, tilt, and zoom in on the site for different perspectives. At the bottom of the map, you'll see useful information such as the coordinate system information, along with northing, easting, and elevation of the cursor's current location. The Timeline Viewer tab lets a user scroll back and forth between historical surveys to show a site's progression over time. Photo Viewer is where the individual raw source photos of the survey can be viewed. In this module, we learned how to navigate the platform, including how to access your sites and datasets, measurements, surveys, designs, media on the map, files, and reports. Thanks for watching. For more information, you can read the supporting documentation for this module or check out our knowledge base, help.propellerarrow.com.